Hello and welcome to the Fisheye 0.x03 or something like that in use. I'm just showing it here so you can have a look around it, and there's 3 screws that you can unscrew and the screwdriver comes in it. I show the unboxing somewhere else in my videos and using it a little bit, but here I'm going to fit it on the front of my Canon video and we'll see how we get on with it. Here's a screwdriver, there's one of the screws, and there is 3, but do not take them all the way out. They're small and very fiddly, and don't damage the heads. They're made of cream cheese, as are most little screws that size. Here it is going on. You can see the different shapes of vignetting. Depends how you turn the hood around, and you can lose it if you want to. But look at the area that's covered. That's me out physically moving the camera in within the length of one finger, my digit finger, forefinger. It really does get very, very close. I was showing you my finger, not giving you a rude sign there, by the way. You can see the shape changing in the vignetting as I go around. Small amount to zoom and you get a different sort of vignetting. I happen to like it, but you can get rid of it. Now watch with the hood removed. A little vignetting which will really go. But look at the coverage with the hood off. That's a straight wall, by the way, and a straight piece of card. This is where I shoot most of my small videos. You can just about see my freezer across to the left. Now that's the camera moved back to the original place. My right hand isn't any bigger, honest. What can't speak can't lie. There's a 12-inch ruler, so I'm about 15 and a half inches away. Now I'm moving the camera in, as you can see from the shadows, because my light's overhead, until we're about 1 inch away. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. For £30, that's 46 bucks delivered free from eBay. Unreasonably ridiculous. Beautiful lens. And I can also fit it on the front of my Sony HX20V because I've fitted a filter holder on there, and that takes 37mm up to 58mm because I've got a load of 58mm filters from my Canon G12 and other cameras. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's it for now. Bye!